Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday. I really hope my niece and nephew appreciate that I'm posting a video today because it is freezing outside and I'm still out here with my bow about to shoot some arrows. I don't know what freezing is for you, but in New York right now in November, it's 40 degrees and I am very, very cold. But we're out here, we're gonna shoot some arrows and let's see how we do. All right, let's shoot a little bit at 40 yards and see where we go. All right, guys, so it's been a couple weeks since I used my compound bow, and it definitely shows because my bow is set up to pull at 40 pounds, and that was super hard to pull back, I gotta be honest. But I'm sure I'll, pick it up as I keep shooting throughout the day, and I just wanted to show you where my arrows went. Here we go.
All right, man. Go see you. Thanks.